Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can censor your eyes in your video using Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have edited my video to my Filmora project, and if you want to censor the eyes, we need to go to the effects menu in Filmora. I'm going to select effect, and here you can scroll down until you find the face sticker effect. You can go to the body effect first, select body effect and select the face sticker, and you will be able to find the censor bar here to censor your eyes. Okay, and make sure you have good internet connection to download this effect. Okay, and then you're going to add this effect to your video. Okay guys, and this is for the result. As you can see that this woman's eyes have been censored. Okay guys, and that's all the way to censor your eyes in your video using Filmora. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.